Have you been this close to winning a game or speaking in an important event and your internet just freezes? Do you know you can get fast, stable internet in every room of your house without drilling a single hole? No wall damage, no expensive technicians, no landlord problems. Let me show you how. The truth about Wi-Fi and Ethernet is that Wi-Fi is convenient, but Ethernet is the king. Ethernet offers faster speed, lower latency, more stable connection. If you are gaming, streaming, working from home, or running a smart setup, Ethernet is the game changer. And today, I will show you 3 smart ways to run Ethernet across your house. Method 1. Using powerline adapters. This method uses devices that use your home's electrical wiring to carry out internet signals. How to? Plug one adapter near your router. Connect with an Ethernet cable. Plug another adapter in any room. You have an instant wired connection. You don't have to drill or run long cables everywhere. The pros include super easy setup. It works through walls and you get a clean look. The cons is that the connection depends on your house wiring quality. Method 2. This is a simple method, but it's genius. You use cables that are so thin that you can run them under carpets, stick them along walls, and hide them behind furniture. You can literally wire your entire house and no one will know. Important tip to note: use cable clips or adhesive strip to keep everything neat. Method 3. Mesh Wi-Fi system with Ethernet backhaul. Place multiple nodes around your house. Connect them using Ethernet network drilling using method 1 and 2. You will get insane coverage, stable connection everywhere, no dead zone. Use this method to turn your house into a pro-level network setup. Important tips to note: your router position matters a lot. Keep it central. You kill your signal when your router is hidden. Avoid corners. Elevate it. This alone can boost your internet without Ethernet. Now, common mistakes people make: buying cheap cables, plugging power line into extension sockets, ignoring interference. When you fix this, your setup becomes 10 times better instantly. For your DNS settings, use Google DNS and 8.8.8.8. Use Cloudflare DNS and 1.1.1. They make browsing much faster instantly. These are 3 powerful ways to get Ethernet across your house without drilling a single hole. A recap of all we've done: use powerline adapters, use flat Ethernet cables, use mesh with backhaul. Join us on our next video on how to double your internet speed without upgrading your plan. Don't miss it. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech hacks, and share this video with someone still struggling with bad Wi-Fi.